Oneplus Nord 2T. Price, specifications and rating in Pakistan. Available colors. This mobile come in very vibrant color choice like green wood, blue haze, gray Sierra. Storage. 128 or 256 GB built-in storage. RAM. 6 or 8 GB RAM. Back camera. Camera 1 is 50 megapixels, f1.9, 24mm wide. Second camera 8 megapixels, f2.3, 119 ultra wide. And third camera 2 megapixels, f2.4, monochrome. Front camera. 32 megapixels, f2.5, wide. Display. 6.4 inches screen. 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution. Corning Gorilla Glass. LiPo non-removable. 4500 mAh battery. Oneplus Nord 2T. Only in 79,999 rupees in Pakistan.